Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Whenever you guys are watching this video. But it is Wednesday morning, October 23rd, 9:03 a.m. And just a quick video, guys. I want to showcase my camera setup. I actually bought another camera a few weeks ago, and it's a mirror mount monitor slash monitor. I'll show you what I mean. This one right here. This is. You know what? Let me turn on the car so I can show you guys. Because it turns on when I turn on the car. There it is. There's a reflection right now. At nighttime, you can really... Oh, let me turn off my radio.
Guys, it's Sam, and
Oh, wow. He said it's Sam. Or she said it's Sam on the radio. By the way, this is my radio, guys. You guys never got to see it. That's my radio. USB. Anyway, let me get back to that. But anyway, this is my camera setup here. This is the monitor. Right now, what you're looking at is a reflection, of course, is the back of the car. And that's a split screen image. Too bad there's too much reflection here. Split screen image. That's the front. The camera is right. Oh, look at that. Let's see. There you go. Camera's right there. And this camera, I got it powered. It's plugged in up here. You know what? This monitor, I'm gonna show you guys something. You can move the image up and down. You can see the whole image by moving it up and down. Just like when I'm backing up. That's a wall behind me. And you can go up and down like that. You get the split screen, like I said. Here's another view, guys. But there's a reflection right now, so at nighttime it looks better. We have split screen. And we have the front. And the back. And look what's behind me. There you go. Setup. That's all the settings right there. You have resolution, loop record, time lapse, record audio, G sensor, a bunch of settings, screensaver, USB mode, key voice, speaker, boot sound, whole bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna go back right here. So I got this one powered up. This is the power cable here. So I got the cables running right on top underneath the headliner, and it's going down. And see how it's set up with the cord organizers. I got it running all the way like this, and I got it plugged in right there. And my back camera is this is the cable for the back camera, and I got that running hidden also on the headliner, and I got it on one of these cable organizers right here. I clamped it on there with cable ties all the way to the back right there, and right there you can see my camera right in the back. That's the back camera. And this is the camera that I normally use to upload videos, but pretty soon I'm gonna start using this one to upload videos, especially if I catch anything behind me like I did last time. I'll get a better view. So this one is the one that I normally use to upload videos. So this one has two cameras built in, one in cabin and in the front for outside. This one is powered. I gotta organize this cable. I didn't get a chance to organize it. This is the cable right here. So this cable, this camera right here, is powered by an OBD2 connector right underneath. So my OBD2 port is plugged in right through there. So it always has power even when the car is off, but I unplug it all the time because, you know, thieves and stuff, they can see that camera. So I gotta hide these cables. So I wanted to show you guys that, and of course you guys never saw my radio. This is the radio I installed. I still have the video to edit. The video of the installation. I installed this radio on my own. It's a Kenwood. Let's see, Pandora Bluetooth. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think it's too much sun going on right now. iHeartRadio, Spotify Bluetooth, Bluetooth audio, AUX aux, standby, and radio. Oh, let me turn this down. I don't want to get hit with copyright. So that's basically it, guys. I wanted to showcase my radio that you guys never seen. The monitor. You guys think is overkill with the cameras? Well, actually what I wanted to do is I wanted to install a backup camera, so it came with the whole thing, front and back. That's why I have these cameras. And then this one I like to use for in-cabin recording, to record myself. And as you guys saw on the way it's plugged in through the OBD2 port, because this port right here was used, even though I couldn't double up on that. I didn't want to. I just wanted to keep this one just like that. My radio has an extra USB port to plug in a phone, you know. That's basically it, guys. So that's what I just wanted to show you guys, the way I put the cable. I gotta put that little wire. It's a little wire right there hanging. That little wire that's hanging, that's actually to connect it to the reverse light. So when I put the car in reverse, I can you know, the backup camera turns on automatically, but I never installed that. You got there's my spinner for driving. A lot of people don't like spinners. They call these suicide knobs sometimes. That's basically it, guys. So quick video, guys. That's it. You know, I just wanted to show you guys that. I'm gonna go ahead and shut down the car. And oh, and one more thing I wanted to show you guys. Here's my tripod that I use, you know, for recording videos. Nice tripod. I like this tripod. It extends out. The legs extend out. Very nice. As a matter of fact, let me lay this down on the tripod so you guys can see how it is. This is the little handle for my camera that I was using. And there you go, guys. This is the tripod that I was using to record the radio when I was installing it. So I actually had my tripod sitting down on the seat, and I was recording it. That video is gonna take a little bit to before I upload it, because I gotta do a lot of editing on it. So here's more on the radio, telephone. You can make phone calls on it. Here's the microphone that came with the radio. This is actually a microphone right here. I still haven't mounted it anywhere. Has so many features on it. I can connect multiple devices, Bluetooth devices. My wife's phone and my phone is connected to it, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, guys, take it easy. It was just, I didn't want to make this video too long. Take it easy, guys. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Later.